In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link email to contact form Wix tutorial. If you've built a contact form on your Wix site, you'll want those messages to land in the right inbox every time. I'll walk you through the exact path inside Wix so your form submissions send you an email notification you won't miss. Start from your Wix site dashboard. This is your home base for everything, and it's where you'll find the settings that control how your forms behave. On the left-hand panel, look for Customers and Leads. This section groups all the tools related to your audience, so it's the natural place for anything that collects information from visitors. Next, select Forms and Submissions. Think of this page as the command center for your forms. You'll see your active forms and the submissions they've received, and you can manage settings that affect what happens after someone hits Submit. Find the specific form you want to connect to your email. On that Forms row, click the three dots icon. This little menu is where Wix hides the advanced controls for each form, so it's the quickest way to get to notification settings without digging through multiple screens. From that menu, choose Form Notifications. This opens the place where Wix manages the automation behind sending alerts when a submission comes in. You don't need to build anything from scratch here. You're just going to point the existing notification to the right email address. You'll see a notification automation that's set to send an email when the form is submitted. Click to edit that automation. In the automation editor, look for the email field that defines who receives the notification. Click into that field and enter your own email address. If you see a placeholder or an old address, simply replace it with the inbox you check most often. This ensures that every new submission from that specific form triggers an email straight to you. That's all there is to it. By navigating to Customers and Leads, opening Forms and Submissions, using the three dots on your chosen form, selecting Form Notifications, and updating the email field in the notification automation, you've linked your form to your inbox. If you're not seeing messages, double-check spam or promotions folders the first time, and make sure you entered the address correctly. With this set, you'll stay on top of new leads, questions, and inquiries without constantly checking your dashboard. And there you go. Quick, clean, and effective.